This is the Oraimo Watch 4 Plus 2.01. And yes, instead of telling you let us dive deep into this, let me tell you what you should expect if you're getting this watch. Now, if you get something once, it actually means you're testing it out. But for you to get it the second time, it means the product, it's worth it. I'm Samuel Favor and this is Techlensive, and in today's video we want to review the Oraimo Watch 4 Plus 2.01. Now, I've gotten the Oraimo Smartwatch for quite a while, and yes, and believe me, if you get this watch, these are the things you would actually experience. Now, I want to ask this question: is there any other big difference from the Apple smartwatches to the other smartwatches in the market? Maybe there might be, but first of all, this smartwatch is a budget smartwatch. For this smartwatch, I got it at around 31,900 naira, and yes, the price has spiked up a little bit. If you use the promo code that you're seeing on the screen, if you're in any African country where the Oraimo products are being sold, you can get a 5% discount on all the Oraimo products. Now, here are the things you will get. With this watch, you can actually check the time. Normally, watches are for checking time. Secondly, you can be able to check your fitness and also develop a healthy habit. Now, this watch has an application that comes with it. That means every other thing that we are going to be talking about that you need to set up, you'll be using the app, which is the Oraimo app. Now, with the Oraimo application or whichever application your own smartwatch comes with, you can be able to set up for the phone calls, the pictures that you use for your wallpaper, and yeah, everything actually, from the fitness down to your health. Now, for the fitness, it will keep track of how many steps you have taken, the number of miles you have taken, and yes, also for your health, it will actually be checking your heartbeat whenever you run, or yes, depending on how you move. Secondly, it will also give you a reminder of when you should take a lot of water or take water. Like my smartwatch always buzzes when it's time to take water. And actually, it's nice because I actually don't keep track or keep record of this kind of things. Also, with this watch, you can actually make calls and receive calls. Like even without you having your phone in your hand, if a call enters your phone, you can be able to answer it with a tap on the screen and answer your phone call, because there is a microphone and also a speaker inbuilt into this small watch that you're seeing here with me. And yes, let me clarify this. This is a fully functional touch screen watch. Now, everything that goes on this watch, from the health to the sports, comes from this sensor. This green sensor at the back is what spots your health. It takes the pulse that comes from your hand and gives out all the information here. And all the information can also be checked out on your smartphone. Also, you can use it to untouch, although the light is actually not exactly as bright as you would expect it to be. But yeah, for someone that is putting in a very dark place, maybe you're looking for your phone, you can actually buzz your phone to ring, or you can actually use the touch feature on this smartwatch with the small light to watch around and look out for your phone. You can keep track of time, and yes, you can also use it as a shutter for your mobile phone. That is when connected via Bluetooth. Besides, it will have to be connected via Bluetooth for you to be able to use all the features on this smartwatch. Now, in your mind, with how small it is, you would exactly think, how long will this kind of watch last when I wear it? Now, if you don't really use it, you just put it on your hand and then you go about your business, it can last up to 7 days. Yes, 7 days before it goes off. If you use it mildly, like you're always turning it on and the whole rest of them, it can last for at least 5 days. That is 5 days of normal use. And then if you are extensively using it, that is, you're someone that you're always on the watch, you don't usually use your phone, you use the watch to answer your calls, you use it to check time, you just use it like you rough use it. Though I don't really mean refuse, but you get it. You use it a whole lot of time, then it can be able to last you for 3 days with full charge. I mean, like with full charge, when you charge it fully. Yes. For the unboxing, there is nothing much. You get the watch itself. First of all, you get the charger and you get a manual, and that is all. It doesn't come with a head of charger, it's just a USB charger. Now, to come to a conclusion, this watch has a 2.01 display screen inch. It's 41 grams, like actually very light. To an extent, you will not really feel if something is in your hand. And yes, it passed a waterproof test. From the website, it shows that it has an IP68 waterproof capacity. So I'm actually not testing that water capacity. And yes, on the website, most people have given it a 5-star and a 4-star rating. I don't think it got a 1-star or 2-star. To show you how budget friendly and worky it is. Now, this is a smartwatch that beginners can get, and even pros too can actually use it. Lightweight, lasts long, and yes, it can actually be given as a gift to your family and friends. And maybe I'll likely even talk about tech gift that you can be able to give to your family this Christmas. But yes, if it's something you actually want to get for your friend, for your family as a gift, or you also want to get it maybe for yourself, for your work or anything, you can get it at a discounted price. You can do well to use the code that you're seeing on your screen right now, or you click the Oraimo link in the description, sign up, and then you would get a 5% discount on all the products you get from the Oraimo store. And yes, you can buy as many things as you want. The promo would continue to work for you. And yes, do well to also subscribe to the Oraimo channel. With that being said, I hope you also get me a gift this Christmas, because Christmas is near, Christmas is here. Yeah, what next? I think I'll see you in my next video. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified. And I think that should be it. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.